हेलो, मैं अमरीकी सफारत खाना इस्लामाबाद की नाज़िमुल उमूर एंजेला एगलर हूँ और मैं पाकिस्तान में बसने वाले मुसलमानों को माह रमज़ान की मुबारकबाद पेश करना चाहती हूँ। रमज़ानुल मुबारक बरकतों, खुद एहतिसाबी, हिदमत और दर्दमंदी इख्तियार करने का महीना है। रमज़ान मुबारक।
Assalamu alaikum. I am Robert Silberstein, the Consul General at the U.S. Consulate in Karachi. As the holy month of Ramzan begins, on behalf of the people of the United States and from everyone here at the Consulate, I would like to wish all Pakistanis a peaceful and blessed Ramzan. Ramzan is a time for reflection, fasting, generosity, and showing kindness to each other. Traditionally, it is a cherished time for families and friends to gather together, show piety, and give charity to those who are less fortunate. In the era of the COVID pandemic, we may need to adapt to keep each other safe, but the strength and power of these beautiful traditions will endure. Now more than ever, this holy month also reminds us of the common values of harmony, empathy, and forgiveness. A very, very happy and blessed Ramzan to all of you. Bohat Shukriya.